everyone, it's Laura, and today I'm doing another what I eat in a day video. So I'm just walking the dog right now, so we'll start with breakfast and I'll show you my entire day. So let's get started. So for breakfast, normally I have a smoothie, but lately I've been obsessed with this granola, and it's super easy and homemade, and I'll actually leave a link below. Don't judge the video because it's a video from like 2 years ago. But it is so delicious. It keeps me full all morning up until lunch, and I literally wake up craving it. So I'll leave a link to that video below. So for lunch, my coworkers and I went to this Thai restaurant. So I got Thai noodles with tofu, and them's is my coworkers right there. So I just got home and I changed clothes, and I know on Instagram a lot of times I put these like fancy recipes on it and I do fancy recipes sometimes, but a lot of times they're super easy. So lately I've literally just been chopping vegetables up and throwing them in the oven and roasting them, and then either making quinoa or couscous and then adding some type of nut or seed for protein, and it's the simplest thing ever and super delicious. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them below. Also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, as always, I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.